Introduction: setting the stage for launching a six-figure online business in 24 hours. Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey towards financial freedom and success? In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to launch a successful online business quickly can make all the difference. The significance of this endeavor cannot be overstated. It's not just about creating a source of income, but about seizing opportunities, taking risks, and making your mark in the competitive online marketplace. The stakes are undeniably high when it comes to launching a six-figure online business in just 24 hours. Time is of the essence, and every moment counts. The window of opportunity is narrow, but the rewards are immense. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your business thrive and your bank account grow exponentially in such a short span of time. But fear not, for in this video, we will not only emphasize the urgency and high stakes involved in this process, but also provide you with actionable steps that you can take to achieve this ambitious goal. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to launching a successful online business quickly and efficiently. Get ready to turn your dreams into reality in just 24 hours. Setting the foundation. Establishing the groundwork for a successful online business launch within 24 hours. Before diving headfirst into launching your online business within a tight time frame, it is crucial to lay a solid foundation through thorough planning and preparation. The success of your venture hinges on the groundwork you lay in the initial stages. Take the time to strategize, set clear goals, and outline a roadmap that will guide you towards achieving your six-figure business in just 24 hours. One of the key factors to consider during this preparatory phase is selecting a profitable niche. Conduct thorough market research to identify a niche that is in demand, has a sizable audience, and offers potential for growth. Choosing the right niche can significantly impact the success of your online business and set you on the path to profitability. Additionally, it is essential to define a clear business model and value proposition for your online venture. Your business model should outline how you will generate revenue, while your value proposition should clearly communicate the unique benefits and value that your business offers to customers. By establishing a strong foundation based on these key factors, you will be well equipped to launch a successful online business within 24 hours. Rapid execution strategies. Exploring quick and effective strategies for executing the online business launch swiftly. When it comes to launching a six-figure online business within a 24-hour time frame, rapid execution is key. To ensure a swift and successful launch, it is essential to leverage existing resources and tools for efficiency. Utilize platforms and software that can streamline processes, automate tasks, and maximize productivity. By making the most of available resources, you can expedite the launch process and optimize your chances of success. Prioritizing tasks and effective time management are crucial components of executing a rapid online business launch. Create a detailed timeline outlining key milestones, deadlines, and action steps. By breaking down the launch process into manageable tasks and prioritizing them based on importance and urgency, you can stay on track and make the most of your limited time. Delegation and automation play a significant role in accelerating the launch process. Delegate tasks to team members or freelancers to lighten your workload and focus on high-priority activities. Additionally, automate repetitive tasks such as email marketing, social media scheduling, and customer support to save time and increase efficiency. By embracing delegation and automation, you can streamline the launch process and propel your online business towards success within the 24-hour time frame. Maximizing impact in minimal time. Insights on maximizing the impact of the online business launch within the 24-hour time frame. In the race to launch a six-figure online business within just 24 hours, maximizing the impact of your launch is crucial. One key strategy to achieve this is by creating compelling marketing and sales funnels. Develop a well-thought-out funnel that guides potential customers through the buying process, from awareness to conversion. By optimizing your funnels for maximum efficiency and effectiveness, you can drive sales and revenue quickly. Effective communication and branding are powerful tools that can elevate the impact of your online business launch. Clearly communicate your value proposition, brand message, and unique selling points to resonate with your target audience. Establish a strong brand identity that sets you apart from competitors and builds trust with customers. By focusing on effective communication and branding, you can make a lasting impression and attract loyal customers to your business. To drive immediate traffic and generate sales within the 24-hour time frame, employ tactics such as targeted advertising, influencer partnerships, and limited-time promotions. Create a sense of urgency and scarcity to encourage quick action from potential customers. By implementing these tactics strategically, You can maximize the impact of your online business launch and achieve rapid success in a short amount of time. Scaling for long-term success. Addressing the importance of scalability and long-term sustainability in the online business model. While launching a six-figure online business within 24 hours is an impressive feat, the key to long-term success lies in scalability and sustainability. It is essential to have a strategic plan in place for scaling the business beyond the initial launch phase. Explore strategies such as expanding product offerings, entering new markets, and diversifying revenue streams to fuel growth and maximize profitability over time. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. Continuous optimization and adaptation are critical factors in ensuring the long-term success of your online business. Monitor key performance metrics, gather customer feedback, and stay abreast of industry trends to identify areas for improvement and innovation. By constantly refining your strategies and processes, you can stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing market dynamics effectively. Building a loyal customer base is paramount for sustainable growth in the online business landscape. Focus on delivering exceptional customer experiences, providing value-added services, and fostering strong relationships with your audience. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and loyalty, you can create a solid foundation for long-term success and drive sustainable growth for your online business in the months and years to come. Conclusion: taking action towards launching your own successful online business. As we wrap up our discussion on launching a six-figure online business in just 24 hours, it's important to reflect on the urgency and high stakes involved in this ambitious endeavor. The window of opportunity is narrow, but the potential rewards are immense. The time to act is now, and the possibilities are limitless. Throughout this video, we have shared actionable steps and strategies to guide you on your journey towards launching a successful online business swiftly. From setting a solid foundation to executing rapid strategies and maximizing impact, each stage plays a crucial role in your path to success. Remember the importance of scalability, continuous optimization, and building a loyal customer base for long-term sustainability and growth. We encourage you to take the first step towards launching your own online business today. Embrace the challenges, seize the opportunities, and embark on a journey towards financial freedom and success. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from this valuable content. The time is now. Are you ready to take action?